Today we're going to be replacing the air filter on the Suzuki GSXR 600. The air box is located under this fuel tank. So we're going to remove the seat, remove these plastic pieces, lift the tank and prop it up. These are all the tools that you're going to need. 6mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key, and a Phillips head screwdriver. First step is to remove the seat. Using a 4mm Allen key, we're going to undo this bolt and the same bolt on the other side. Once the bolts are removed, you can lift the seat up like so. The next step is to remove the plastic pieces, this one and the same one on the other side. In order to do that, just pull up on them like so. Then push the piece toward the back of the bike. And do the same on the other side. And the next step is to lift up the tank. Use a 6mm Allen key and undo this bolt right here. Find something to hold the tank up and lift up the tank. Next, undo this connector. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to take out 11 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 in the middle. Pull these two connectors off of the airbox. Lift up the airbox cover and take out the old filter. Compare the old filter to the new one. This baby is clean. And you can now put the new filter in and put everything back together. And just like that, the air filter is replaced.